If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer seems to be quite simple. Now, if you're looking for the most optimal choice for Xiaomi 17T Pro, then in that case it is going to be the original Xiaomi power adapter that has 100 watts or more. The reason why I'm saying 100 watts is simply because the phone can charge its battery by using 100 watts at most. So if you have more than that, it is not going to improve the charging speed, but if you have less than that, then of course you might see that the phone is not as charging, it's not as quickly charging as it probably should be. So of course you need to keep that in mind while, for example, purchasing a power adapter. Of course, in some cases, power adapters are included inside the box, and most likely you are going to get the 100 watts power adapter made by Xiaomi, so you are sorted. But on the other hand, if you live, for example, in Europe, then of course you have to purchase the power adapter specifically for this phone. If you don't have a power adapter yet. So in that case, if you need to purchase a power adapter, then Xiaomi's 100 watts power adapter is going to be perfect. Now, in case you don't want to purchase Xiaomi's power adapter for some reason, you can of course get a power adapter made by other brands, and they are going to work as well. However, there is a chance that they will be not as fast as the Xiaomi's power adapter. Ideally, you want to get a power adapter that has for example, the PPS technology, PD 3.0 or QC4 with 100 watts as well. Thankfully, the support of PPS is actually the same as with the original Xiaomi's power adapter. I believe they call it Hyper Boost or something like that. So even if you get a power adapter made by, let's say, Samsung or Motorola or Google or Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, and so on and so forth, you should still be able to get a pretty rapid charging speed. And that is pretty much it. So once again, ideally you want to get a Xiaomi power adapter with 100 watts or more. But if you don't want to get it, or if you can't get it, you can also get other brands. At least I would use a well-known brand. I would avoid using knockoffs or brands that are not so popular. Try to stick with the brands that are producing smartphones. And actually, one more thing that you might want to consider is, of course, the charging port for the power adapter, because original cable that we have inside of the box is USB-A to USB-C, so it's this bigger USB-A that goes into the power adapter. So ideally you can get a power adapter that also has USB-A port. Xiaomi's power adapters do have that. Other brands also still make power adapters with USB-A, but some brands make power adapters with USB-C port, so you need a different cable that is USB-C on both ends. This means that you would have to change the cable and use a different one to be able to charge your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.